talking about something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Self-healing materials. These materials can repair themselves after being damaged. That's right, imagine if your phone screen fixes itself after a crack or a building repairs its structural damage. Captivated? Let's talk about it. Self-healing materials are an engaging area of research that holds the key to creating more resilient and durable products. The idea is that material repairs itself without human intervention. In this video, we'll explore the science behind self-healing materials deeper and examine the different mechanisms that make this technology possible. We'll also look at some of the most exciting applications of self-healing materials. Let's dive in. Self-healing materials. So, what exactly are self-healing materials? These are advanced materials that can repair damage automatically without human intervention. They come in various forms, including polymers, metals, and ceramics. The concept behind these materials is inspired by biological systems, like how our skin heals after a cut. How do they work? Now, let's talk about how these materials work. There are different methods, but one common approach involves embedding microcapsules filled with a healing agent within the material. When the material is damaged, these microcapsules break open, releasing the healing agent and solidifying and repairing the damage. Another approach uses polymers that can rebond when heat or light is applied. Applications in construction. One of the most exciting applications of self-healing materials is in the construction industry. Imagine a bridge or a building that can be repaired after a crack forms. This could significantly extend the lifespan of structures and reduce maintenance costs. Researchers are developing concrete that can heal itself using bacteria that produce limestone to fill cracks when exposed to water. Applications in electronics. Next up, let's talk about electronics. We've all experienced the frustration of a cracked phone screen. With self-healing materials, this could become a thing of the past. Scientists are working on polymers that can repair minor cracks and scratches on electronic devices. This technology could also be used in batteries and circuits, leading to longer-lasting and more durable electronics. Applications in automotives. Self-healing materials are also making waves in the automotive industry. Think about car paint that can fix its scratches or tires that can seal punctures automatically. These innovations could lead to safer and more resilient vehicles. Some car manufacturers are already experimenting with self-healing coatings and materials. Another critical aspect of self-healing materials is their potential impact on the environment. By reducing the need for repairs and replacements, these materials can help decrease waste and the consumption of raw materials. This makes them an eco-friendly solution that aligns with the growing emphasis on sustainability. Challenges and future of self-healing technology. Of course, like any new technology, self-healing materials face challenges. Developing and producing these materials can be expensive, and technical hurdles still exist. However, as research progresses and technology advances, we can expect to see more practical and cost-effective solutions shortly. And that's a wrap on today's video about self-healing materials, from construction to electronics and beyond. The potential applications of this technology are truly mind-blowing. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to High-Tech 9, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech trends. Comment below and let us know what future tech topics you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.